To be successful, you have to be a lifetime learner. You're not done with your education when you graduate. You are just on the start of the journey.
Ken Griffin isn't just a wealthy financier. He's a key player who's reshaped market dynamics. Known for his multi-million-dollar real estate purchases and his profound impact on the financial industry.
Ken Griffin.
Ken Griffin.
Kenneth Griffin.
Ken Griffin.
Griffin's journey is both fascinating and controversial. In this video, we'll take you from his humble beginnings as a college dorm room trader to his rise as the head of Citadel, one of the most influential hedge funds in the world. We'll explore Griffin's early days, the rise of Citadel, his strategic maneuvers during financial crises, and the controversies that have surrounded him, particularly the GameStop short squeeze saga. We'll also delve into Citadel's role in market making and Griffin's significant influence on global financial markets. Whether you're a seasoned finance enthusiast or new to Griffin's story, this video will offer fresh insights into why he's such a polarizing figure in the world of finance. Ken Griffin grew up in Florida, showing a keen interest in technology and finance from a young age. Unlike his peers, who were more focused on typical teenage pursuits, Griffin was already launching his first business venture, selling educational software to classmates. This early foray into entrepreneurship hinted at his future ambitions. When he arrived at Harvard, Griffin took his first serious steps into finance, trading from his dorm room with the help of a satellite dish he installed to monitor market movements.
The legend is that you began trading convertible bonds out of your dorm room. Is that true or not?
That is true.
Griffin demonstrated a unique drive and resourcefulness. His big break came when he bet on home shopping network stocks using put options, achieving substantial returns. This early success wasn't just a stroke of luck, it showcased his skill in spotting opportunities and taking calculated risks, even at a young age. After graduating, Griffin decided to take things to the next level. In 1990, he founded Citadel, focusing initially on convertible bond arbitrage, a sophisticated strategy that leverages price discrepancies between a company's stock and its convertible bonds. This was a bold move for someone in their early 20s, but it quickly paid off. By the end of the decade, Citadel had cemented its place as a major player in the hedge fund industry, managing billions in assets. What set Griffin and Citadel apart was their use of innovative strategies and technology. From navigating the aftermath of the 1987 stock market crash to capitalizing on the volatility of the 1990s.
This crash of 1987 is not just an American experience. Around the world, stock markets fell.
Griffin showed an impressive ability to adapt and thrive. His focus on data-driven strategies and advanced analytics gave Citadel an edge that many of its competitors lacked. One of Griffin's defining traits is his ability to turn crisis into opportunities. During the collapse of Enron in 2001, while many firms were blindsided, Citadel navigated the turmoil successfully thanks to Griffin's rigorous focus on risk management and a diversified investment approach. However, Citadel faced its greatest test during the 2008 financial crisis. Like many others, the hedge fund suffered significant losses. At one point, it was down 55%. But Griffin didn't fold. Instead, he restructured the firm, cut down on riskier assets, and sought out distressed investments that others were too cautious to touch. This period of transformation was crucial in shaping Citadel's future resilience and adaptability in volatile markets. The events of early 2021 surrounding the GameStop short squeeze brought Griffin and Citadel into the spotlight in an unprecedented way. For those who aren't familiar, The short squeeze was a collective effort by retail investors on Reddit to drive up GameStop's stock price, causing significant losses for hedge funds that had shorted the stock, including Melvin Capital. Citadel found itself at the center of this storm. As a market maker, Citadel Securities was handling a large volume of these trades. Adding to the complexity, Citadel had just invested $2.75 billion in Melvin Capital, raising suspicions about potential conflicts of interest, when Robinhood, the popular trading platform, restricted purchases of GameStop stock. Many accused Citadel of influencing this decision to protect its investment. This controversy led to a huge public outcry and congressional hearings, with Griffin testifying before lawmakers. Although no evidence of wrongdoing was found, the incident highlighted concerns about the power and influence of hedge funds and market makers like Citadel in the financial system. Citadel isn't just a hedge fund. Through Citadel Securities, Griffin has built one of the largest market-making firms in the world. Market makers are crucial to the financial ecosystem because they provide liquidity, meaning they facilitate the buying and selling of stocks by standing ready to trade at publicly quoted prices. One way Citadel Securities profits is through the bid-ask spread, the difference between the price they're willing to pay for a stock and the price at which they're willing to sell it. While this spread might seem minimal, handling billions of trades means these small differences can lead to significant profits. However, this practice hasn't been without controversy. Citadel Securities has faced scrutiny for its role in payment for order flow, a practice where brokers like Robinhood get paid to send their orders to market makers like Citadel. Critics argue this can create conflicts of interest and question whether it serves retail investors' best interests. Beyond equities and bonds, Citadel has expanded into commodities trading. Leveraging advanced data analytics and experienced traders, Citadel has made strategic moves in this sector, particularly during volatile periods like the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Their insights into global energy markets have allowed them to make informed trades in commodities such as oil and natural gas, boosting profitability even during challenging global environments. Citadel's influence extends far beyond US borders. With offices in major financial centers around the world, the firm's global presence allows it to capitalize on diverse opportunities and effectively manage risks across multiple markets. This international footprint is something few other hedge funds can match. Griffin's leadership style is often described as intense and demanding, but also highly effective. He's known for being extraordinarily results-oriented, with an unrelenting drive to achieve success. This approach has attracted top talent to Citadel, drawing in traders, analysts, and executives who excel in their fields. Unlike many hedge fund leaders who delegate extensively, Griffin remains deeply involved in Citadel's day-to-day operations. His meticulous attention to detail and insistence on accountability have been crucial in maintaining Citadel's competitive edge. Ken Griffin's personal wealth is extraordinary, even by hedge fund standards. His net worth places him among the world's wealthiest individuals, and his lavish spending reflects this.
It's been a big month for Citadel's Ken Griffin in real estate, the hedge fund manager purchasing another home this week.
Ken Griffin has spent over $1 billion on real estate, much of that in Florida.
From record-breaking real estate acquisitions to an impressive art collection, Griffin's lifestyle is a testament to his financial success. But it's not all about luxury. Griffin is also a dedicated philanthropist, having donated hundreds of millions of dollars to causes such as education, healthcare, and cultural institutions.
Ken Griffin, the founder and CEO of Citadel, a new South Florida resident, the man behind the donation.
His contributions, particularly in the areas of education reform and medical research, have had a significant impact. Despite his success, Griffin and Citadel haven't been free from controversy. The GameStop episode brought renewed scrutiny to Citadel's business practices, with allegations of market manipulation persisting. Although no formal charges have been brought, ongoing investigations by the SEC and other regulatory bodies continue to loom over the firm. These investigations are primarily concerned with whether Citadel Securities used its market-making position to influence trading in ways that might disadvantage retail investors. Griffin has consistently denied any wrongdoing, but the perception of potential conflicts of interest remains a significant issue for both him and Citadel. Ken Griffin's career is a remarkable blend of ambition, risk-taking, and strategic thinking. From trading out of a Harvard dorm room to leading one of the world's largest hedge funds, Griffin has left an indelible mark on the financial industry. His ability to navigate complex markets, adapt to changing conditions, and steer Citadel's growth has secured his place as a pivotal figure in finance. Yet his story is also one of controversy and scrutiny. The ongoing debates over market fairness, the role of hedge funds, and the influence of powerful financial players are far from over. As Citadel continues to evolve, Griffin's legacy will be shaped not only by his achievements. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on the movers and shakers of the financial world. We've got more videos coming up, exploring the stories behind other influential figures in finance and the key events that have shaped today's markets. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next.